Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making a crock pot, a slow cooker Philly cheesesteak and potato casserole. For that, we're going to need a can of cheesy cheddar soup, about a pound of ground hamburger, small potatoes diced up in half or larger ones fourth, about a cup and a half of provolone cheese shredded, small container of sour cream, peppers and onions. We're going to need some steak seasoning, which you can usually buy at any part of your spice stores, Worcestershire sauce and minced garlic. Well, you know the drill. Let's get going. Okay, to start off, we're going to need to put in our peppers and onions and our ground beef. We're going to spread this around and get it cooking until the vegetables are softer and the ground beef is brown. Once your beef and your onions and peppers are all cooked up, you're going to want to put it into your crock pot. Take your potatoes that I might add you cooked for a couple minutes just to get not so raw in with it. Into that, we're going to put our sour cream. Got our cheese sauce. Our garlic. Our steak seasoning. Our sauce. And last but not least, our shredded cheese. And that is going to get all stirred together thoroughly in our crock pot. And you're going to want to cook it on high for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it'll look a lot like this. And if you don't like some of the oil, you can easily take that out of your dish or just mix it up. Be this beautiful cheesy mess. You're going to let it sit for a little, plate some up, and see how it tastes. Right, we've dished some out. I'm going to get a good bite with a little everything in it and try it out. Well, this is a repeatable one for me. It has a really good cheesy flavor. You can definitely taste the hamburger, and the potatoes are awesome. It all adds up to a really nice little casserole that only took me 2 hours to make. So if you get home late, you're a little busy, want to make it ahead of time, this would be a good one to make. I do like the steak seasoning element in it. And honestly, I just think it's an overall really good casserole. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have any thoughts, you leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you in the next video. See ya.